Hello Click Designers! So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily restore any deleted designs on your ClickDesigns account. So let's say that you've accidentally deleted a design or a template that you still need and you wish to restore that. I am here to show you how. So first, let's delete a design so I can show you how to restore it. So I'm just going to go to the My Designs section from my dashboard, and I'm going to wait for that to load up. So once I'm here on my designs, I'm going to choose a design to delete. So I'm going to delete this recent one, this cat design. So if you don't know how to delete a design on ClickDesigns, all you have to do is to click on the three-dot icon here in the corner. And then once you do that, it is going to give you several different drop-down options. And the very last one says delete. So click on that. It's going to give you a pop-up asking you if you are sure that you want to delete this design. If you want to, click on yes, delete it. All right, so the design has successfully been moved to our trash. So now let's say that you deleted this design by accident, or you want to go back and access the same template. So to do that, all you have to do is to hover on over to the profile of your account, click on the drop-down menu, and look for the trash label over here. So click on trash. And in the trash section, you can easily view all of the designs that you've previously deleted. So these are all of my deleted designs. So if you hover over on any of these deleted designs, you have the option to either restore the design or delete it permanently. So this is how you can restore any design that you may have accidentally deleted. So let's go back to this cat design that we removed previously. So I want to restore this. So just hover over it and click on restore. That is going to give you another pop-up. Are you sure you want to restore this design? And just click on restore it. That is supposed to bring it back to your My Designs section. So let's just check that really quickly. There you go. So as you can see, it is back here in the My Designs section. So that is how you can access all of the ClickDesigns templates and designs in your trash section, and how you can either restore your deleted designs or delete them permanently. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this tutorial was helpful.